A logo is one of the important assets that serves as a brand for a company or a business. Do you know how to create it online for free? Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at how we can make a logo online for free. Here is the article that we have published on our website, which included what a logo is all about, where can we use a logo, and how can we generate it online for free. There are several online applications that can help us in generating a logo. However, in this video, let's take a simple to use logo maker that has some cool features. Let me open the logo maker URL and show you how it can be created. Once we open the logo maker, on the top corner we have options for new, preview and save and download, and on the left hand side we have add text, add symbol and add shape. So these are the three different options which you can use to create a logo. So let me quickly click on new to start a new design. Then let me use all these three different options to create a logo. So first let me add a shape. We choose the square. And then add a symbol. Let me choose this diamond. Place it here. Let me quickly add some text. I'll make it as random codes. Add another text. And if you want to choose different colors for both these text boxes, so you can choose the text and click on this color and choose something that you want. You want to reduce the size, you can do it like this. Now the logo is ready and we can click on preview to see the preview on how it looks on the t-shirt, cup and all the others. And once this is done, we can click on the save and download, where we have to provide our email ID and click on save and continue. So once we do this, so this application will send out an email with an attachment which contains the logo files. Let me quickly open my email. I got this email now, and which has an attachment. You can download this attachment. Once we download this, these are the files that we can see it on this zip folder. And one of them is PNG, and we even have the JPG and SVG versions of the image. And once we click this, you can see the logo. And this is how we can create a logo online for free. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.